Hello and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling boxes, and I love trying new boxes that I haven't tried before. And if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. If you are returning, I very much appreciate you coming back to watch my videos, so thank you, thank you, thank you. And today I am doing a Prime wardrobe unboxing. If you're not familiar with what Prime wardrobe is, don't mind my cat. That's Frank and he loves boxes. So, if you don't know what Prime wardrobe is, it is for Amazon Prime members. Basically, they have certain clothing selections that you can put into a cart and you can send to yourself and you can try it before you buy it, because it sucks, you know, going through a return process a lot of times. So it's nice to be able to do the try before you buy, so there's no obligation. It's free shipping. The only downside to the process is it can be a little bit difficult to find things to put into your cart, because you click on something that it says it's Prime wardrobe and then you click on your size and all of a sudden it's not Prime wardrobe. So you do have to do a bit of hunting, but it is kind of a fun hunting process. So I kind of went with this box as far as trying things that I wouldn't normally buy, just to try them, or maybe trying a couple of different styles of something that I'm interested in. And because there's no stylist, there's no styling service or anything like that, truthfully, I feel better about sending back everything if I don't want anything than if I actually use a styling service. So this is like zero obligation. I can send back this whole thing if I want. I've got 7 days. So I'm excited to try this. Like I said, this is my very first one, and let's get into it. I love this. This should be a thing in all boxes. I am tired of getting my scissors out and cutting tape and blah, blah, blah. Okay, so in this box, I've got a lot of different things. They're all individually packaged, so I'm going to go ahead and get them out of the bag, and then we'll go through each. I'm going to say that the theme of this box is black. I got almost everything black. Not on purpose, it just happened. I will list the prices in the video as I am trying them on. That noise is my cat in the box now, having just like the best time ever. So first of all, I have this Moto jacket, and they did not have an extra small, so this is a small and may not fit, but I've kind of been obsessed with the Moto jacket ever since I saw Barbara at BC Sales. She got this fantastic Moto jacket from her Trendset, and so I've been looking for a cheaper version of that, and this is super soft, super cute. Hopefully this fits amazingly, and I believe it was affordable. So, okay, next up, I got a couple of joggers. I'd gotten a jogger in my Stitch Fix, and they were a little bit too long, so I decided to see if I could find some soft joggers that weren't as long. So this jogger, this is Danskin, and just a gray jogger, has a back pocket on it and pockets in the front. Feels incredibly soft. I think these are going to be rather baggy. I don't know. They may be more baggy than I'm interested in, but we shall see. They feel amazing. And then I got a second pair of gray joggers, and this is by Corello. I'm not exactly sure. And again, these are kind of a shorter jogger. They look like they might be pretty baggy, but they don't feel as soft as the Danskin ones, but they still feel pretty cool, or feel pretty nice. Then we have, I didn't know I was going to get one in my mix and match box, so I've got a pleather legging that I wanted to try. It does have pockets in the back, and oh, these are like the Moto, so it's got kind of the Moto seam type things here on the knees, and I just thought these would be super cool to try. And then we have just this random button-up shirt. This shirt is by Foxcroft, and it's just a button-up plaid gray and black and pink shirt, and I've just been super into plaid shirts, but I feel like I haven't found one to actually fit very well. So I have high hopes that this one will be the one that just fits wonderfully. And then last, we have, this theme is peplum tops. So I got this polka dot sleeveless peplum top in my style starter video, and I've been obsessed with peplum ever since. So I got a couple other peplum tops. This is by Lark and Row, and this is cashmere, and this is just a black sweater with a simple long sleeve, and then you've got your peplum on it. Now when I like peplum, I like kind of the fitted peplum that gives you this like great shape. So hopefully that will fit in that way. And then another peplum top with this one's a short sleeve, and this is also by Lark and Row, and it's just got a big gigantic zipper in the back, and then, you know, the seam here for the flare out of the top. So that is my haul, and let's go ahead and try this stuff on, and I hope it all fits. Okay, I'm gonna try on as many pieces as I can together, even if they don't make sense as an outfit, just to keep the try-on from being ridiculously long. So first outfit, I got 3 of the pieces on. Let's start with the jacket. I really like the jacket. I like the versatility of the zip up here. Basically, you can half unzip it and fold this over, or you can leave it completely unzipped. I will show that to you. And then I like that it's a shorter kind of cropped moto jacket, and it's super soft. I don't really know what it's made of, so I'll take a look at that, but it's super soft and it's very cute. The one thing is they didn't have an extra small. Their smallest size was a small, and I feel like it's just a little bit too big for me. Like the sleeves are, of course, a little bit too long, which isn't as big of a deal, but more just like up here, feeling like I've got a lot of extra room up here. And if I'm gonna get a moto jacket, I want it to fit amazingly. So this, I'm really debating on this piece because it was like 50 bucks. You know, I'm sure I'm not gonna find a better deal on a moto jacket than this. And if you guys know something that's, you know, affordable moto jacket, let me know, because I'm very interested in it. But yeah, this is the jacket. I'll give you guys the 360 on this, and let me know what you guys think of this. Again, I like it, but I just don't know that it fits me well enough for me to feel like this is the jacket for me. Okay, next up we have the plaid top. Now it is more of a tunic type top than I anticipated. Again, it feels a little bit baggy, and I wasn't really looking for a tunic top, so it's okay. I really like the colors on it. I like the black and the pink, and I like that, but it's okay. Now, the leggings. Love these. Absolutely love these. They are the perfect length on the ankle, which is amazing. And I love the moto look. It's got the seams across the knees. It fits well. I mean, it does take some gymnastics a little bit to get into them, but I think it's worth it because then it's not too big and scrunchy and baggy. And I think they're really cute. So my only complaint with these is it's more of a mid-rise, and I wish it was a high-rise. It's funny how it evolved. When I first started videos, I was all about like the low-rise still, because I was apparently just in the wrong decade. And now I'm just not happy with some things not high-rise. And I just realized how uncomfortable a low-rise is. You gotta pull on it a lot. I don't want to be showing my bum. So anyways, love these leggings, and I think these will be keepers. So let's go ahead and try the next outfit. Okay, second outfit, and I use the term outfit really loosely here because I have a pair of joggers and a nice top on. But the top fits really well up here. Only thing is I do wish it was slightly more fitted here at the waistline, but I think it's cute. So you guys let me know what you think of that. And then the joggers are super soft, super duper soft, and they are maybe a little, maybe I wanted kind of a slimmer jogger than this one. I don't know. They are also a little bit long as well, but you know, it is what it is. That's, I guess, why it has elastic on the bottom. So you can see I got a bit of extra material here. And then the only thing, the only potential real deal breaker is this waistband is like this big. So it has quite the waistband on it. So I'm not sure if that's good or bad. I guess maybe it's supposed to kind of hold you in, but I don't know, for a jogger, you kind of don't really care about being held in so much. You just want something that's kind of loose and comfortable. So I don't know. This one I'm just sort of iffy on. This is what it looks like from the back. So you guys let me know what you think, and let's try on the last outfit. Okay, last outfit is a bit of the weirdest outfit yet because I also have winter boots on. I forgot to call these out when I was going through what was in the box. It was sitting behind me, but I just missed it. These are the Columbia Omni Heat winter boots, and I'm always looking for things to make me warm in the winter, so I thought I would try these out, as check them out and see if they are maybe like the most amazing boot of all time. So far they feel nice and cozy. I can't say it's like, oh shoot, these are the warmest things ever, but I've only had them on for a couple of minutes, so I may try to wear them around a little bit and see how they feel. They are soft and comfortable though, I will say that. Now the joggers, I will say, they're just very big the whole way down, and they're not super soft, and I feel nothing for these, so these will go back. And then the sweater I don't particularly love. I feel like the peplum piece is kind of sits weird with this particular material, and so I don't think this is a keeper, but I definitely need to find some black sweaters. I decided once I had this on, it's like I need more of these. And then this is what it looks like from the back. Okay, let's do the recap now. Okay, what comes in your box is just a little explanation of how it works. You have 7 days, you complete your return online, and then you reseal the box, which it comes with like a sticky strip for you to reseal the box and drop it off with UPS. And then they also provide you with your mailing tag and the invoice of everything that is in the box. So just super quick, kind of my final thoughts. You've already seen the prices as I was trying things on. The boots, I still need to just wear a little bit longer to see if I feel like they're worth it or not. This is the cashmere peplum. I just didn't really like the shape of it. The other peplum top, since this is only 20 bucks, that's pretty affordable. I thought it was cute, so I think I will be keeping this. The first joggers that I tried on, the Danskin, they were soft. It just wasn't quite the right fit, so I think I will be sending these back and continuing my search for the perfect joggers. And then the plaid top, it wasn't quite what I was looking for, since it was more of a tunic type top, and it's 50 bucks. I'm not quite sure why I even sent it to myself knowing it was 50 bucks, but that's going back. The moto pants, I think these are awesome. I have no idea where I'm going to wear them, but I sure do hope that I have a place to wear these, because these are super cool, and I'm super cool when I wear them. So I will be keeping these. And then the moto jacket, again, the price is amazing on this. It feels like good quality. It's soft. It's not real leather. It's obviously fake leather, fake suede, but it feels amazing. And oh, I was going to tell you guys the material. Okay, the material, it's just polyester, the whole thing polyester. So, but it feels amazing. It's amazing what they can do with different fabrics. It feels great, but I don't think I'm going to keep it because, again, it's not the perfect gorgeous fit that I'm looking for, so I am going to keep looking there. But I had a lot of fun with this box. I love the concept of the Amazon Prime, where you get to pick out what you want and still do the try before you buy, which, because there's no stylist picking something out for me and there's really kind of no human interactions with it, I really don't feel guilty at all if I do send back an entire box. And I feel like this gives me a chance to try things I wouldn't normally try, or sometimes even if I find something in another store, I might be able to find it on the Amazon. I think I've already got my next box ready to go, and there's a blazer in there I want to purchase someplace else, but I'd like to see if it fit first, so I'm shipping it through Amazon, which is twice as expensive for some reason. So I really think it's a great service, and that's all I have to say about that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so below, and hopefully you will come back for the next video. All right, thanks. Bye.